New warehouse worker, day 1. They open their onboarding training course, and the heavy lifting and manual handling SOP is right there. They read it, they acknowledge it. Compliance box ticked before they lift a single box. Linking files to courses is the simplest way to keep your procedures in front of the people who need to follow them. And when it's time to update that SOP, every linked course pulls in the latest version automatically. In this video, we'll add a file slide to a course, see how it looks for your team, and see how file updates automatically carry through to every linked course. To link files, you'll need the Training Create Courses permission plus view access to the file you're linking. To take the course and view the file, you just need the course assigned to you. Ready? Let's roll. Head to Training. If you don't see it, check under More. It's hiding there. Now open the course you want to edit. Add a new slide. Then select File. Add a title to the new slide and a description if needed. Then add a file. You've got two options. Link an existing file from your documents library, search or browse. We'll grab our heavy lifting and manual handling SOP. Or upload a brand new file. When uploading, create a new folder on the spot, or choose an existing documents folder to save it to. Either way, the file lives in Documents, managed, version controlled, and always in one place. Once linked, it appears as a file slide right inside the course. Set up and publish the course when you're ready. Here's the learner experience. They hit the file slide. The SOP opens in line. They read it, and they acknowledge. Done. Now let's look at what you can see as an admin. In Documents, open your file. Here you can view any linked items, including training courses. Now let's say the SOP gets updated. New regulation, revised technique. You can easily update the file. Once you upload the new file, every linked course automatically reflects the latest version. To unlink a file at any time, just open the course editor. Go to the file slide and remove it. Your SOPs and training are now one connected system. New workers get the right document on day 1, and when procedures change, every course stays current. Want to take your training further? Search Create Courses in our Help Center. Whatever you're building next, it's all there. Head to help.safetyculture.com.